It's an Embraer 195. That's TAP coming in from Lisbon. I actually flew on that back in 2019, the Lisbon flight. And this is the EasyJet A320, and this is off to Geneva. There's that tap gone. Yeah, it was an absolutely great flight flying on that. It just the most amazing bank over the Tagus. It's fantastic. Worth the whole trip just for that. It was absolutely great. It is on the channel on TikTok somewhere, but probably easier finding it on the Bloke channel. On YouTube, sorry. Not allowed to mention that on TikTok, are we? Hey ho.